Let's take a look at rearranging the columns or items in your grade center. So let's say I would like the attendance grade row to show up right on top here so that when my students click on the grade center on their My Grades, the first thing that shows up here, the first item would be attendance. To do that, I would switch on my edit mode, then scroll down under course management, grade center. I'm going to click full grade center. Then I'm going to hover over the manage tab here and click column organization. Then over here is where I can rearrange my rows or my columns. So since we want to move our attendance up, I will click on attendance, drag it all the way up here so it shows up above module 1. Let's move this here. And once I'm done rearranging the rows to my liking, I will hit submit, and let's preview it in student mode. And you'll see the attendance row has been moved up. And that is how we rearrange the items in the grade center in Blackboard.